Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn as how to create the animated GIF using the Adobe Photoshop by following few simple steps. So first of all, I'm going to open up the file that I have already created, and those having limited knowledge of Adobe Photoshop can easily create it. Okay, let's just close this. So here is our file. We have made 5 groups, and each group contains a rectangle layer and the image that is going to be displayed, and one common layer of 30% off. This is the text that we are going to put on each image, so we have just kept it as one single layer, but we just want to animate the other groups. So after creating this, you can simply go to Windows and open up the timeline. Now here you can see our layers and the groups that we have already created. I just want to keep the animation of each layer up to 2 seconds maximum. So now let's see how to adjust these layers. As you can see that we have the group number 1, that is the bottom one. Let's close up all the other groups. Here is the group 1, this is the image, and this is the text, and this is the rectangle layer. So what we are going to do, simply start from the 0 second and close at the 20 frames. Okay, so now if you play, this is the time period of the first. Similarly, going forward, we are keeping up the layers of the group 2 as here, and just scale it down. Nothing need to extend it beyond. Okay, now moving forward up to the next 20 frames. Now the third layer. Now I need to keep these way forward and end at the another 20 frames. Start the group 4 and end at the next 20 frames. Similarly, reduce the length of the animation. It doesn't affect it, but I'm just doing it. And for the last layer, it should start from the next 20 frames. And here is the animation is completed. Here. If you want to see the preview, you just put the cursor over here and just press the play button. As you can see, it is nice loopy animation that can be used on social media for the advertisement purpose. A small animation that I want to incorporate in it, it's about the text. Here you can see that text is just static. I just want to keep the text appear just when the next group arrives. So I just keep the time period of each text after 10 frames. Simply just keep the length of the text between 10 frames to 20 frames, and just simply click on it, copy and paste. Okay, and just put it from the next 1 to 10 frame. Then another copy paste. Similarly do it. Another copy paste. Let's make few adjustments. As you can see, the text will appear after 1 second. After 1 second. I guess something is. Yes, it should start from here. It should start from here, and this one should start from here. Now give it a try. Now simply have to adjust the position of the text. Simply select all the layers and keep it down. Now once again we can see the preview of our animation. Just hold on. Now as you can see, the text is a bit animated and it just gives a nice effect. Okay, now how we are going to save the animation? Just simply click on this option and select render video. Now select the location where you want to save the file. The document size already alright, 1000 by 1000 pixels. Preset select high quality and use the H264 option to save the file as the MP4 format. Simply enter the file and we are done.